Hey everyone! I'm Althea, a Filipina who's currently living in New Zealand. Samahan niyo ko sa aking adventure. From our house, kailangan natin magbiyahe ng 1 oras. Kaya mag-alala guys dahil walang traffic dito. So after an hour nga, nandito na tayo, but hindi pa yan dahil aakyat pa tayo pataas. And after 5 minutes, meron tayong stopover na kailangan nating maglagay ng chain dahil delikado ang paakyat nito. At nandito na tayo, and that's my husband and brother-in-law at nagkakabit na sila ng chain. At ito ako, pinapakita sa inyo yung view. It's really nice here. At nung paakyat na kami, sobrang na yung takot ko dahil pag natamali ka ng konti, bye. So ayan, kita niyo yung snow. It's really nice. At dito naman kami sa Mount Hot. And mag-i-ski tayo. Welcome to Mount Hot. At ito na nga yung prices. Sobrang mahal, but our total is around $700. At nandito na tayo ang view kung saan tayo mag-ski. Sobrang ganda, no? At thank God for this opportunity. And my husband for this birthday gift. At ayun ako, super trying hard to practice. Sobrang hirap at delikado nito. So slowly lang.
Lupit to. Hindi to. Galing. Wow.
Buti pa tayong ano ko, walang practice. Tignan nyo naman. Iba talaga yung adjustment ng kids. And this is my husband. And kami ng anak ko na nag-enjoy sa snow. Sabay daw kami. After 4 hours dahil napagod na kami, nag-decide kami na picture-picture na lang at i-enjoy ang paglalakad-lakad. Ang amazing ni Lord, no? One day you will be in your